Hello everyone, and welcome to the bonnet for the M3. Waited a very long time for this. Which way is up? I can't tell. Which way is up? This way is up. It barely fits in my apartment. That's how big the box is. So if you're ever wondering how big a bonnet is for an M3, it barely fits in the living room of a 53 square meter apartment. So after what seemed like a forever wait, it is now finally here. And it says explicitly on the box, check immediately for any damages, etc., etc. So I've taken some time off work to come home and inspect the package. Reduce the knife. Don't know if it's split down the middle or something. This entire box. How has he packaged this? Has he slid it in from one end? He's put some tape on it. There's another box and a wooden frame. My apartment's not big enough to unbox an M3 bonnet. Yeah. Holy schmackaroonies. All right. Let's give it a little bit of a turn. Rest it on some things. Maybe open up the top. Oh. I'm sorry if you can't see everything, even though I have an 18mm lens on the camera, completely zoomed out. I think it gives you a fairly good idea of how big this entire thing actually is. There's a protective lip around the edge. Oh my God. How in the actual... Getting there. Getting there. Getting there. Oh. Okay, it's out. It's out. Oh. 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 Hey, we got some goodies. Sweet. Look. Yeah. How do we get all this out now? It's taped somewhere. I'll find it. Don't worry. I'll find it. Yes. Look. We got some stickers. Some nice stickery boys. And a nice little pamphlet with some stuffs on it. And a cap. Because, you know, caps. And for writing down your pace notes, of course you need a pen. So, that's all little goodies out of the way. And now, for the pièce de résistance. The most beautiful part. Dum dum dum. Damn, son. Don't mind the clutter. I mean, look. It's pretty. And it's got the little GTR thing vents that I want. Camera is having a field day trying to focus on this. And it's all nice and flush. Almost. Almost. Yeah. I'm telling you this much. That will not fit in the C2. I don't know if I want to try. And you might be wondering, well, why did you specifically go for this one? Well, because the OEM mounting points are in place, as you can see, there and there, and there, and there as well. Which means that you can use the OEM materials to clamp it down. Look at that. That'll be nice. Cool air in, hot air out. Nice seal at the back. Oh yeah. This gonna be nice. This gonna be nice. It might actually fit in the C2. I'll give it a crack in a sec. And otherwise I'll take the passenger seat out, which is like a 15-minute job. Alrighty. Well, that's the bonnet. Isn't this freaking cool? Oh yeah. I'm happy.